Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we are doing a get ready with me voiceover, follow me around type of video. I'm actually putting on concealer right now. I'm covering up a scratch. I already put on primer in the beginning of this video, which I did not film, and that was the Tatcha Luminous Skin Primer. Now I'm just going to go in with foundation. I'm using the Referral Candid Foundation, and I believe it's caramel, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna apply this all over my face and blend it out. So my plan today was to meet my friend Michelle for us to get our nails done. I don't know if you guys can see, I still have Christmas nails, and we are done with Christmas. And actually, as I'm editing this video, we are done with 2020. Can I get an amen? Amen. That year is done and gone. New year, new me. Now I'm going in with the Referral Photo Ready Candid Concealer. This is actually my first time using it, so I'm just like, do I like it? Do I not? I do like the application, but I'm just going to go in and highlight these sleepy under eye bags and also do the side of my nose to contour a little bit. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm obsessed with this powder. You guys know I use this every single video. And I'm just going to highlight everything that I concealed. For blush, I'm going in with the Shop Miss A blush. I believe it's the AOA blush in Auburn. It's actually one of my favorite brushes, and the bitch was only like $2. So cheap, but so good. So I'm going in and I am going to give myself some color because, bitch, I need it. To set my base, I'm going in with the Tarte Maracuja. Love this setting spray. Oh, it's so good. And yeah, that's me looking at my eye because it started to twitch. So if you guys see me looking down, I'm watching Schitt's Creek, which, something just happened. Yeah, I recommend this show. It's on Netflix, 6 seasons. So freaking good. My shock from that part of the show, I'm going to quickly fill in these bitch-ass eyebrows. And yeah, that's pretty much it. For eyeshadow palette, I decided I'm going in with the ABH X Jackie Aina. How did I forget this palette? I always forget I have this palette. So freaking good. So I'm just going to go in. You'll see what I do. Use the same colors I always use. I have a preference. I can't help it. To set all this, I'm going in with the Milani Make It Last. I love this setting spray. It is so good. If you guys want a great drugstore setting spray, definitely get with this. And now I'm going to put in my earrings because I don't know, I feel so naked without earrings. Eyeliner, I'm going in with my favorite, the Maybelline Stay Put. You guys, I use the same products because they're so freaking good. You guys definitely need to pick yourself up this product. So creamy, so pigmented. I love the shade Plum. I also have Smoky, which is a gray shade. And yeah, look at that. It just like awakened my makeup. And now I'm going in with the Mary Kay Ultimate Extreme Lash Mascara. And then I'm going to apply falsies. Now we're gonna do this mess of a hair. Yeah, she messy. And we're gonna go in, and I'm literally just gonna flat iron a little bit and kind of make it a little presentable. So I'm going to oil my scalp with the brand called GRWM, I believe it is. And my hair is a little dry, or my scalp's a little dry because I just washed it. So we gotta give her some vitamins. So I'm just going to go over my scalp and then start flat ironing my hair. Before I do that, I forgot I went in with a leave-in conditioner, and this is the brand As I Am. I think I just recently found it. I'm not too mad at it, so I'm gonna go in, put it on my hair, especially my ends, before I start flat ironing. Now I'm going to take sections of my bottom half of my hair, and I'm going to put in more leave-in conditioner and then start flat ironing the bottom half. I don't put these in like proper sections because I'm just half-assed doing it. It's not anything that I need to pay attention to because I literally just going to get my nails done. I'm going in with Pantene Purview hairspray. I just want to make sure my flyaways stay down because this bitch like to rise up and try to attack me. So I'm making sure they stay put, they stay down, and yeah. Now that my hair is done and my eyelashes should be dry, I'm going in and I'm making sure that my falsies and my real lashes are stuck together. So I'm going in and I'm pinching them, and then I'm going to apply the same mascara that I did for my coat on my bottom lash line. Now for lips, I'm going in with the ABH. I believe this is in either Allison or Veronica. I can't remember the shade. I'm going in with that at first. I apply it and I'm like, wasn't feeling the color with it. So I go in with the Maybelline Superstay, my faves. I go in with the shade Lover just to brighten it up. Not quite sure if I like the outcome of this either, but I just stuck with it. So that is it as far as getting ready. I just touch up a little bit of things and then I finish watching Schitt's Creek and I head out. So I am actually sitting in my car. I'm waiting for my friend to pick me up. We cannot get our nails done. I'm so upset, but I'm excited that they called, or happy they called. We cannot get our nails done because one of our husbands, one of the nail tech's husbands, tested positive for COVID. So they called to let everyone know that they're shutting the store down for a while, which is super nice of them to call everybody and to be respectful of that. But I really need my nails done. Like, they're so far grown out. But you know what? My safety is more important. So now me and my friend, we're gonna exchange gifts. Oh, if you can see. And we're gonna go to the mall because she needs to go shopping. But yeah, so that is what's going on. God, I hate this hair. It's like I cut it and now it like just doesn't want to lay flat. I saw they called me. I was like, why are they calling me? I'm not late. I'm actually an hour early. I was gonna go and sit with my friend so we can get our nails done together. And yeah, I was not expecting that. Everybody's getting COVID, so everybody stay safe. Wear a mask, which I have tons of masks down here. Wear a mask. Wash your hands. Practice social. Was that a cat? Oh, it was a cat. Practice social distancing. If you have symptoms or you feel like you have symptoms, stay home, guys. Like, these people who go around and don't wear masks and believe that the COVID's a hoax and that it's just government trying to scare us is absolutely insane to me, with how many people have died from this COVID, how I've personally seen people deal with COVID and how awful it is. So I just think it's insane. But just stay safe, wear a mask, social distance, and wash your hands constantly, and stay home if you feel like you are sick. Oh, my friend's here. Goodbye. All right, so I am home, guys. Ugh, I have my glasses on. Take them off for a second. So I am home. We obviously didn't get our nails done because of the clip before this talking about how they called and talked about COVID. So we don't like going anywhere else for our nails. So I decided, because I'm home and I have the stuff at the house where I can do the light and the gel polish, that I would do my own nails, like repaint them. So I repainted this hand. It looks a hot fucking mess, but I repainted it so it's a different color instead of it being like this, because I'm so sick of the green and the Christmas tree. So I repainted them to look like this, and now I'm gonna do my other hand a different color. I think I'm gonna do blue because I always do like these shades. But yeah, so I decided to do my nails. God, they look such a mess because like they just look so messy. You can see the green underneath. A drill and my nail stuff down here, and it didn't take off the polish, so I'm just painting over top. Yeah, that is what my night's consistent of. Like, I really wanted to get my nails done, but again, my health and their health and everybody else's health is more important than it. I did go out to eat. I fucking got Popeyes. I got lemonade because I am not drinking soda, but that was really good. So I ate that, and now I'm just gonna be watching Schitt's Creek while I do my nails, and that is what my night consists of tonight. Nothing major, just doing my nails. Alright, so I am back, guys. Oh my god. Still gotta clean up a little bit. But anyway, I am back and I finished this hand. So this hand I did like greens and blues. I'm like from afar because it is just a hot mess. I am finished. My nails look such a mess, like such a mess, but I really wanted to redo my nails because I was tired of the Christmas tree and the green and the gold and all that. I'm going to take off my lashes. Ugh, did you guys see that? Look how different, like this is why I wear lashes, because a bitch cannot be looking like that. I'm going to relax, probably play my Sims and just chill for the rest of the night. I'm not doing anything for New Year's this year just because COVID's just like amping up and it's super real right now. It's been super real for almost a year, but it's like, it's still going, it's still legit, it's still strong, it's still alive, it's still formulating and mutating into different strands. So I am not doing anything this year for New Year's. I'm keeping my black ass in the house, and I'm gonna relax and play with Grayson and just chill. So I hope everyone had a great Christmas. I hope everyone has a great New Year's, and I'm just going to relax. I thought I'd do like a little follow me around, get ready with me. I wanted to film getting my nails done, but obviously that didn't work out. But maybe one day I will take you guys along with me so I can film getting my nails done, because the nail place I go to is like, they're bomb. So much for watching. I might as well do an outro since I didn't do an intro. So thank you guys so much for watching. This tree is coming down next week. I cannot wait. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. I do a video every Sunday, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.